yazi izinto uRamaphosa asezenzile guys. uRamaphosa will not talk about GBV. He will not talk about ukubulala abantu besifazane. Ngeke ezikhulume ngalutho uzothula ngathi ufile during those situations. Ake ku-investigate abangani bakhe osenzo. Uzoma ngenyawo ke lapha abuza ukuthi lamadocument eniwafunayo umkhwanazi niwafunilani. Abo izinto ekanjalo. So vele nje uma njengamanje ungaboni ukuthi we are under attack. Ungaboni ukuthi uRamaphosa yabona uZuma was a criminal guys. Kodwa wayengekho useless. uRamaphosa is a different kind of useless. He's a different kind of corrupt. Njengamanje we have Israelites fighting for Cape independence. They are taking over Cape Town. 60% of land in Cape Town isithathiwe ithathwa abantu abamhlophe. And uyazi ukuthi mabe infiltrate any part of South Africa and they are trying to make it a country on its own, bazokhuphuka eventually bezo infiltrate KZN nazo zonke lezi indawo. We are under attack like crazy. uRamaphosa njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi uthule ngathi ufile when it comes to GBV nazo zonke lezi zinto lezi, kodwa uyasukuma bangabangani bakhe. Okuyibuza ukuthi now unemployment rate njengoba isinyuke kangaka nje imisebenzi ingekho, uthuleleni? Uthule ngoba vele uhlelo lwabo. And abantu ubaxoxela lento bavele bekubuke sengazathi uyahlanya mubatshena ukuthi zonke lezi zinto ziyaplanwa, ziyahlelwa, zihlelwe kahle ukuthi okay masenze u1 no2 sibenefita ndlelani. Yabo njengoba iyekelele kanje nje unemployment rate yanyuka, ufuna vele ukuthi abantu abaningi bephume behambe beyocima umsebenzi ngaphandle njengoba iRussia all of a sudden is offering umsebenzi. Ufuna bephume, and as abantu bephuma kukhona abangenayo njengoba ama-Israelites nama-Ukrainians nje esegcwele Cape Town njengamanje. People are being thrown out of amakhaya abo in Cape Town. Angushubili guys. And okubuhlungu thina siyophaphama noma siyohlangana si-unite South Africa sesikhala sekulate bidinga ngempela national shutdown. And ngifuna uku-addressa nalento yokulutha. Kukhona abantu osiyazi mina ngihlakaniphe ukudlula wonke umuntu uma kukhulunywa ngendaba yokulutha bethi ukulutha nje is not an option, ukukhombisa ungabi nangqondo. Guys, when our ancestors fought physically during apartheid, babengalwi physically ngoba nakho beyidome, ngoba yayisiphelile option. Nayengasekho option ababengayithatha, kwasekusele khona ukuthi belwe physically nangeimpilo zabo. You need to understand that ukulutha, it's not about getting items and whatnot. I'm not promoting looting, but I'm just trying to show you ukuthi physical action has to be taken. It's either sigcwala imgwaqo siyatoyiza kuba ne-shutdown abantu abaye emsebenzini, or le enye option ade ngisho njengamanje. Kodwa khona umnyakazi isivunguvungu imele senzeke. Because we all know ukuthi ama-politicians agcwele imali ekhanda, ngeke bezwe lutho. Uma sithi hayi solindi EFF, solindi ANC, shame. Angiphathi DA ne-ANC, doti staff. Speaking of lama political parties, during apartheid kwakunesizathu sokuthi collectively South Africa yonke decide to vote le-ANC. Abasho ukuthi guys, vote for anything except 1, 2, 3. Vote for yabo, babengasho ukuthi nevotela noma abe yini ethanda kodwa ungamvotela usibanibani. Babethi shiya konke lokho okunye uvotele lokho. Kwakune option eyodwa yini wonke umuntu walandela leyo option. What I'm trying to say is kulama elections isiphuma kuwo abantu bebethi just vote for anything but don't vote for iDA. Vote for anything but don't vote for ANC. Vote for akufuze ngabe sithi vote for anything. Kufuze ngabe siyavumelana njengamanje about one political party sonke soba semva kwayo. Yayizwa leyo nto exactly how our ancestors did nge-apartheid, bevumelane ngeyodwa ukuze makuphuma ilokhuzana inkundla noma i-political party ezowina, sazi ukuthi sonke vele besibheke yona. Yizwa leyo nto leyo ukuthi vote for anything yenza ukuthi masephuma ama-results singazi noma athintiwe noma awathintwanga, kuphelele emoyeni kube ngama-rumors. Babe ama-ancestors ethu ayengesizona idome by fighting physically. It's because ama-options ayesephelile. Ama-politicians agcwele imali ekhanda, abelungu angahlaliseki phansi nabo uthi uyaxoxa nabo. yayizwa leyo nto. Kwakungahlaliseki phansi nabo nithi niyaxoxa nilungisa izinto ngomlomo. Indlela yokuthi besizwe besilalele kwawukuthi siphume ey'tradini kume yonke into ngoba thina siphandle. Yayizwa leyo nto leyo. We are under attack. And also lento ye-Alubuka, ukutshontshwa kwey'ngane, human trafficking, it goes deeper, guys. It goes deeper ngoba they are using our influencers to get people out of the country. Mayiyeka nje yanyuka unemployment rate ngoba mayinyuka, people are going to be desperate for jobs angithi bazophuma bengaphandle. Seconfirmiwe vele 250,000 ingabe girls or people have left the country already looking for jobs ngaphandle. Ingoba bayazi with the more people going out, the more white people coming in. Ama-Israelites nama-Ukrainians aseqalile Eastern Cape. Soon, Cape Town izoba independent. I think it's going to be its own country or something. Uthi kuyo yonke lento esibhekene nayo, oqala nje asinawo ama-nuclear weapons. Yes. Okwesibili, i-Minister of Defense yethu u-Angie Motshekga. Yabo yonke into iyahlelwa nje ibekwe in place. Was why useless uRamaphosa, guys, and he is nowhere to be found. Usathani. U-Angie. I-defense yethu u-Angie. Asinawo amasotsha. Simi ngomkhwanazi nayo kungenzeka bazomgudluza soon. Because njengoba kade ngisho nje uRamaphosa uxasukile njengamanje ukuthi umkhwanazi uthatha ama-dockets oku-investigate usenzo. Yabo lama police killings nama lokhuzana political killings akadenzeka, ama-dockets umkhwanazi wathathile. Wasuma wama ngenyawo uRamaphosa wathi niwathathe ngaliphi. Siyazi vele ukuthi ulele umngane wakho usenzo ngoba vele they are partners in crime. Siyazi ukuthi usenzo wasiza uRamaphosa during ama-elections before uRamaphosa ezoba ilokhuzana president we-ANC. Usenzo why behind yena emgqugquzeli lekelela ngama-investments and whatnot. So they are partners in crime. Bawo Trump no Elon Musk, usenzo no Ramaphosa. So Ramaphosa would do anything to defend his buddy. Saze sasenjini. And thina siyophaphama late siyo-unite ngesikade. Siyohlangana sesikhala inyembezi uma i-national shutdown ingenzeki as soon as possible. What I understand, people are busy. People are busy making money. People are feeding their families. No one has time for this. And sonke sinokuthi nje ikhanda hayi uzofika khona uzofika uzoyilungisa lento le. Khona uzofika uzongenelela ilungise lesi simo lesi. Sonke we're laid back. Siyavuka semsebenzini senze zonke lezi ngoba sithembele ekutheni khona umunye umuntu uzofika ezolungisa leyo nto leyo. Akekho omunye umuntu ozoza, guys. Yabo nje this Alubuka human trafficking thing, lento yama-influencers, into ebekumele siyigxobe sidlule kuyo because we have bigger issues. As a youth, we have siney'nkinga ey'nkulu. South Africa is going to become the next Gaza or Palestine. They've also infiltrated the KZN through inkosi. Ngoba inkosi yethu yamanje phela ithe ukuba angifuni ukusho amagama amabi kodwa nje shame. Ivumela abantu lapha ukuthi bevula amamayini yenza zonke lezi zinto idayisa iland kudliwa imali nje. Shwele saze sasenkingeni. Yo.